Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get the notification for new updates.
Here, evaluate the following. Evaluate means find the value. You have to find the value of this. Here you can see tan theta and cot theta. These two are multiplicative inverse of each other. Tan theta we can write sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta, for cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta. And here secant. So here in secant we can write 1 by cos theta. Cosecant we can write 1 by sin theta. Now let us do solution. We will change 1 plus, in place of tan theta we will write tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, in place of cot theta we will write cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta we will write. Then in place of secant we will write secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta, and in place of cosecant theta we will write cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. So this we are using. Okay, in place of tan theta we have to write sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta. In place of secant theta we can write secant theta, multiplicative inverse is cosecant theta 1 by cos theta 1 by cos theta. Then 1 plus cot theta. In place of cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta. Then cosecant theta, in place of cosecant theta 1 by sin theta. Then here what we will do, we will take these two terms first. Okay, here you can see nothing is there will be always 1. So we are cross multiplying these two terms. We are taking 1 into cos theta plus sin theta into 1, sin theta into 1. By denominator, in denominator we are multiplying these two, 1 into cos theta plus this we are writing as it is 1 plus cos theta, then bracket open, next one. Similarly here divisor will be 1, cross multiply 1 into sin theta plus cos theta into 1 we will write. Here in this multiply this to 1 into sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. So what you will get, 1 into cos theta you will get cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 into cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. Then 1 into sin theta plus cos theta, 1 into sin theta, then minus 1 by sin theta. Now here same denominators. Okay, so we can take it common, plus is in between, cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Same denominators, no need to take LCM or no need to do cross multiplication. Here minus is there, same denominators we are taking common, sin theta, then sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay, now you can see over here cos theta sin theta cos theta, same. Okay, we can write in place of cos theta sin theta as sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, you will get the same answer na, 5 only. Likewise we are just changing sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 by cos theta, then sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. Here you can see, here you can take A, this one you can take B, A and B. So do you remember the formula? Which formula we are going to use? We are going to use A plus B into A minus B. Okay, formula is, I am writing formula over here, A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. In place of A we are having sin theta plus cos theta, in place of B we are having 1. So A square minus B square we can write, A square minus B square we can write, A plus B into A minus B. Okay, here we will write multiplication. Bracket means multiplication. We are writing cos theta into sin theta in the denominator. In numerator, a plus b into a minus b. We are getting what? A square minus b square. In place of a, we are having sin theta plus cos theta. In place of b, we are having 1. See, again I am explaining. In place of a, we are having sin theta plus cos theta. In place of b, we are having 1. A plus b into a minus b. We are using a square minus b square. In denominator, here bracket is there. Bracket means multiplication. Cos theta into sin theta we can write in the denominator. So here a plus b whole square again we can use. Here in this bracket 2 terms are there. So again we are using a plus b whole square formula. A square minus a square plus y. A square plus b square plus 2ab. If minus is there, a square minus b square, you can use a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here plus is there, so before 2 plus sign. So this is one more formula we are going to use over here. A square plus b square plus 2ab in place of a plus b whole square. In place of a we are having sin. In place of b we are having cos. So a square plus b square 2ab. A sin theta, b cos theta. Then minus sign is over here 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. Then what we can do? Here sin square theta. We can't put square on theta. We have to write sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. So directly you cannot cancel because here plus and minus is over here. If multiplication sign is in between, you can directly cancel, but here plus and minus is there, you cannot cancel directly now. So you have to remove this. How we can remove it? In place of sin square plus cos square theta, we can write trigonometric identities. Sin square plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So this we are using over here. In place of this we can write 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now also you cannot cancel it because 1 is there. So what we will do? First we will remove 1. How we can remove it? Here you can see here positive plus 1 and minus 1. So 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So you will get 2 sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta. Here there is no plus sign, no minus sign. Directly multiplication. Cos you can cancel, sin you can cancel. You get the value 2. So for this you got therefore 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta, 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta is equals to 1. So here I have written the formulas in the rough work. This you have to remember. Okay. So this is your answer. Solution is here you can see a plus b whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. What we are going to do is a plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. For a minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, here plus or minus difference. So in place of a we are having sin a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then this is rough work. Then plus I am writing over here a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, for this. So here a square sin theta cos theta sin theta cos theta. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus for this sin theta. In place of a I am writing sin theta. In place of b cos theta. Then sin theta. Then cos theta. You can see over here these two are same terms. 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta with plus and minus. So like plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. With different signs, same terms with the different signs gets cancelled. So here terms sin theta cos theta same hai, but signs are different, so we can cancel this too. So here I am writing sine square theta plus cos square theta, we are having plus, then here also sine square theta plus cos square theta. So here we can use trigonometric identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta, what we are having is equals to 1. Here in place of this also we will get 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So you got the value for this. This secant square theta minus 1, cosecant square theta minus 1. So here you can see, here we can use trigonometric identities. What trigonometric identities we are having? S, S, C. Then plus, minus, minus. We are having in this only 3 trigonometric identities. So sine square theta, cos square theta. Okay, secant square theta minus tan square theta. Then here cosecant square theta. Then what is remaining over here? Which one is remaining? Cot square theta. So SSC, with this you can, simple trick, you can remember this formula. So here we are having secant square theta minus 1. That means this you have to use cosecant square theta minus 1. That means this you have to use. So for secant theta square minus 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to, we can change it. We want this to now. Tan we will send that side. Secant square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. So this we got secant square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. So multiplication bracket is there. Cosecant square theta means minus, this plus 1 will come this side, it will become minus, and this will positive. So cot square theta you will get. I'll do it here. Cosecant we want, so we'll keep it here only, LHS side. Then we will bring this one this side, this is plus 1, this will changes to minus 1, this positive, this will changes to positive, plus cot square theta. So we can write in place of this cosecant square theta minus 1, we can write cot square theta. But again we are not getting value. The question was evaluate the following. We have to find the value of this. So we can write tan square theta, and we know that cot theta is multiplicative inverse of tan. So we can write in terms of tan 1 by tan square theta. Okay, since we know cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta, you can change this tan theta into cot theta also, 1 by cot. So cot get cancelled, or else like this way also, these two will get cancelled. You got the value.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.